Hello everyone, welcome back to another Wix tutorial. Wix is not just a tool for building websites, alright? You can do a lot more with it. For example, you can create and sell a profitable online course in just a couple of steps. So let me walk you through the key steps even if you are just getting started. Alright, so first you need to sign in and create your website. And this is your gateway to launching your online course website. Alright. Next, you need to create a new site, and when prompted, you just choose blog or education as your site tag. And either works well for courses. Now, Wix gives you like dozens of designer made templates to start from. Choose the one that fits your teaching style and audiences. Now, once in the editor, uh, let me just quickly show you that section. Let So just name your course, and this is where the lessons will go live. Then choose your course format, and then just add Wix Online Programs app. That is where you structure your courses with videos, quizzes, PDFs, and more. Then after that, inside the app, click Create Program. You can add lessons, schedule content release, and even offer both free and paid access. Now, each lessons lets you upload videos, write text-based instructions, and attach files like worksheets or checklists. Now, to control access, add a members area and link it with your pricing plans. This way, you can charge a full access to your course. Now, you can also preview your course and even create a landing page to start collecting signups or validating interest before launch. With everything set up, your course is live and ready to grow. And Wix also has built in tools to help you market, email, and build your community. And that's the overview of creating a course with Wix. And you can find more in depth content on their official blog. Just go to this link here, and it has step by step instruction on what you need to do to create your first course and launch it on Wix. And hope this helps. This was just a quick overview, and I didn't go into great detail because it would take like a couple of hours to complete this video. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.